Hey y'all, today I'm going to try something new and I'm going to go for a walk without shoes on. I'm going on a walk barefoot. You know, I used to be so country that I could run on rocks. Oh yeah. Do you remember the time? Look y'all, somebody's stuff is just out here. I don't know what this is about. Going without shoes. I know, right? It's weird. I officially challenge you to go take a walk barefoot. Yeah, because that's how we started off, y'all. We weren't born with shoes. Y'all, these are not edible. No. They look like a wiener. Don't eat them. So today's life lesson is make sure that you get your shaving cream completely freaking washed off. Because I guess I didn't. And then I went out in the sun. Oh, yes. Don't do that. Okay, bye. I want to just sit in the middle of a river and chill out. Not fair. Not fair.